welcome back to another video. So I am back with a fall look and I really love how it turned out. So you guys already know what to do. Make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching if you want to see me create this look. Alright you guys, I'm using the Glamlite paint palette. And I really love the fact that she made it where this can bend all the way back. I'm taking the shade red. So simple. Finally some simple names. But I'm taking the red and I'm going to pack that into my crease. I'm going to blend this red out just a little bit. Just that much so it's not so harsh. I'm gonna take the orange on a M506 and I'm gonna, instead of just blending this out, you'll see, but I'm just gonna pack it on the edges or the corners of the red, the edges. Now take it and pack it along the red, and then we're gonna take some yellow and blend it out. When I pack it on there, it kind of blends together anyway. I'm grabbing yellow on another M506, and this time I'm going to actually blend this out. Okay y'all, I really thought I would do better listening to music, but these earphones in the way. Taking the Fearless Faces Makeup Artistry palette. I'm taking this Burgundy and I'm going to blend that into my crease. I'm going to go back to my E17 and grab some more red and blend this out. I went back and forth between these colors like 50 million times to get them to be all blended. I don't know if y'all see the difference, but so I'm gonna do some more orange. Alright, so I'm cutting my crease with the same Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in the shade F1. And just in case you're new, I use this foundation simply because I used to use the concealer in the shade C1. Yeah, in the shade C1, but I realized that you get more for your money when you buy a foundation, and it was the same color, so I wanted to try it. Even though that foundation is a little bit thinner than concealer, I still wanted to try it and see if I got the same results, and I did, so I've just been using it ever since. So to cut my crease, I use a M213, which is a small flat concealer brush. So on one side I used to cut it like this, and then you're going to see me clean off my lid with some makeup remover, and then I'm going to use this side so it's not mixed. I hope y'all can see because I'm going to have to get kind of close to my face so I can make sure I'm doing this right. Hard part trying to see if they're even. They kind of look even to me, so I'm not gonna bring the concealer already down there because it's kind of pointless. Yeah, I'm kind of struggling because I feel like I need to take it up somewhere, but I'm not sure like right in here. And if I mess it up, I'm gonna be so sad because I really like this look. This is as far as I'm gonna go. Alright, now I'm taking a makeup remover wipe and I'm just gonna use the same. I cut one in half and I'm gonna just use the same half that I use on this eye because I'm not gonna get a whole new one just for that. So I'm gonna take this and wipe off my entire crease where I just cut. That way we have a nude color and not pink. So I'm gonna have to recut it. You wanna try to get as close as possible without messing up what's already there. So I'm gonna have to cut my crease again. That is how you get a really nice, sharp, clean, white cut. So I'm gonna just take my brush and literally just pat my eyelid. This is how you make sure the concealer is laying even on your eyelid, so when you put your color down, it's not patchy. I always tell myself if it still looks like it's glistening or it's kind of shiny, then you need to pat it some more. Because once you've patted it enough, it's matte looking. I'm going back into the Fearless Faces Makeup Artistry palette. I'm using this nude shade right here to set like the top of my crease. For the actual eyelid, I'm taking the same color right here from the Makeup Artistry palette, and I'm using a M321. I'm gonna smoke that out like right here on top of my lid. Going back into the paint palette, I'm going to take some more red, orange, and yellow, and I'm just going to do red, orange, yellow. For all three of those colors, I'm using the E36. I'm just going to like dust the excess powder out and then go into the next color because I like the smallest brush I have. Yeah, please tell me why I just spent about 5 minutes looking for a brush that was in my hand. For some reason I was not recording, but I dipped into my 39A palette and took this really dark brown and smoked that out on top of the Burgundy. Okay, I'm about to line the outer part of my waterline with some black eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna take my Jackie Aina palette and take the shade Credit. I'm gonna take my Jackie Aina palette and take the shade Credit and smoke that out in my waterline. Okay, now I'm taking the red again and I'm gonna smoke that out right underneath there. I'm going to be using my dual lash glue. I'm going to put a little bit of that underneath my eyelashes, and I'm taking the red from my Glow Glitters collab fall collection, and I'm going to tap that right along the glue that we put down. For my highlighter, I'm taking the Fearless Faces highlighter in the shade Goddess. Okay, y'all, so which color? Should I do brown or... You're probably gonna pick this one, but I think I'm going to just do a... Let me find out mine right quick. I think I'm going to do something natural first, and then record an intro and outro just in case I don't like it, and then I'll come back and do the lipstick. So I'm gonna line my lips with this lip liner from NYX in the shade Espresso. I'm going to take some lip gloss from Fearless Faces in the shade Chocolate. So we are done with this look. I really love how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to pick up your glitter stackers from Glow Glitters. You can use the code FALL for some money off your purchase. You also will receive a pair of lashes. Make sure you guys shop the fall collection, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for some more looks, and I'll see you guys in my next video.